Okay? Let's talk about business. Ngayon, pag sinabing business, these three words always come to my mind, no? Value, exchange, and profit, no? In any kind of business, retail ka man, services, 'di ba, platform, any kind of business, there should always be an exchange of value, 'di ba? If ikaw being a business owner, example, you are in e-commerce, you are selling items, no? Yun yung value na binibigay mo. In exchange for the value that you give, your customer gives you money, 'di ba? In exchange dun sa value na binigay mo. So, hindi pwedeng merong business na walang value and walang exchange. Wala akong ma-imagine na business na walang ganon, no? And another important element here is the profit. Because I always tell business owners